7th A will tell a speech on World UFO Day. I want to ask a question from you. Did you have interest in universe? As you can see, solar system, I have interest because some very mysterious things are found in solar system. There are galaxies, planets, dwarf planets, sun, moon and etc. Have you ever seen a comet flying from solar system to the earth, or you see various planets from telescope to the sky? So, I want to ask the questions. These are my questions. So my speech is starting. World UFO Day. World UFO Day is an awareness day for people to gather together and watch the skies for undefined flying objects. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. Today I just know for grade 6B is going to talk about space. So let's start. Space, also known as outer space, is the nearest vacuum between celestial bodies. It is the place where everything, all of the planets, stars, galaxies and other objects are found. On Earth, the space begins at the gamma line 100 km above sea level. It is the place where Earth's temperature is said to stop and the outer space begins. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Yugan Sharma of class 8B. Today I will performing a short poem on UFO. Have you ever looked up in the sky and saw something you can't was different than what you were ever seen? No one will tell you what is done mean. UFO are the really rage. When they seen, they set the stage and description and lies at the abyss, hoping that they will neutralize all of your thinking until it dies. Why is it no one can tell you about all things that leaves out you in doubt? Or having they tried and not be allowed to develop through to be thirsting crowd? UFO are nothing new, many have seen them in their view and questioned where they form. It's mind boggling, it's leave us numb. The aliens probably think we are dumb. Thank you.
Morning to one and all. My name is Prachi Nanda from grade 7A and today I am going to tell you the importance of space. Space, also known as the outer space, is near the vacuum between the celestial bodies. It's where everything, all the galaxies, planets, stars and other objects are found. On Earth, space begins from the Karam line 100 km above the sea level. Interplanetary space is the space around the sun and the planets of the solar system. Thank you.
Thank you.